What to do if your baby hates tummy time? In this video, we will discuss. Tummy time is when your baby lies on its stomach while awake. This simple activity plays a huge role in helping your little one reach important developmental milestones. Why is tummy time important? Tummy time strengthens your baby's neck, shoulders, back, and core muscles. It also helps develop motor skills for rolling over, crawling, sitting up, and walking. Since babies sleep on their backs for around 15 hours a day, tummy time allows them to strengthen their upper body muscles. What if my baby hates tummy time? 1. Be patient and start small. Begin with short sessions, just a few minutes each day, and gradually increase the duration as your baby gets used to it. 2. Change the scenery. Try tummy time in different spots, such as the living room, playroom, or even outside on a clean lawn, for a fresh experience. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care and development videos. Please continue watching. 3. Relax with a massage. A relaxing massage can help your baby feel more comfortable. Gently massage their feet with oil, and once they're relaxed, place them on the floor. 4. Engage with your baby. Interact with your baby to keep them engaged. Talk, sing, or read to them. They'll naturally lift their heads to look at you. 5. Involve older siblings. If you have an older child, invite them to join the tummy time session. Seeing a sibling can motivate your baby and make tummy time more enjoyable. Tummy time safety tips. 1. Use a clean mat and never leave your baby unsupervised. 2. Avoid tummy time if your baby is premature, has special needs, or has reflux. 3. The best time for tummy time is when your baby is well rested, like after a nap or a diaper change. 4. You can use props like a rolled-up towel or a small cushion under your baby's chest to help support your baby during tummy time. 5. As your baby starts to move around, always clear the area of any dangerous objects. If your baby fusses or doesn't seem to enjoy tummy time at first, don't worry. It's normal. They may find it difficult to lift their head initially, but with patience, they'll adjust.